we had a wonderful one-to-one meeting with Mr. Chapay from Hyderabad. He's a doctor, and we had a wonderful meeting recently. So I just wanted to hear from you, sir. What is your experience, and how you feel before coming to the meeting and after, now when we are completing this meeting? Up to you.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Shyam. Okay, basically I have heard you from the financial. I have listened a video from your video. Then I have contacted him. So he's an excellent knowledge about the finances. Whatever mine, because I belong from non-finance background. So almost I already have some plan about the financial plan, but I needed to review and clarify it. He explained very nicely. So few issues are there with the insurance and all. Earlier what I was thinking of, my insurance is enough, but now I came to know that it's not adequate. So we require a larger sum of the insurance, and that depends upon our income. So then only the long-term sustain. Second thing is, most of my investment were usually in the equity. Now I come to know that yes, there is need for the guaranteed income, so that any emergency, anything, when equity is in the doldrums, then this will be helping a rescue for saving life. So that's why I recommend everybody to Mr. Shyam for their financial requirement and financial planning. Thank you one and all. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again for the kind words, and we have noted all your requirements and all the inputs I have taken. And I personally say you also already maintaining your finances very nicely. Everything you have documented very nicely. But whatever the suggestions are there, we will incorporate the same, and in the next meeting we will conclude our financial plan with you. So once again, thank you very much for your time, and our next meeting we will communicate very soon. So thank you once again for your valuable time. Yeah.
Thank you, Sam.